Well, hello my fabulous people. I am Melanie Warren, also known as Coach Mel. Welcome to my channel. On my channel, I share things as it relates to infertility, adoption, and everything else in between. So today I want to share with you 5 tips on how you can start your home-based business. 5 easy tips. Okay? Stay tuned. Thank you for joining my fabulous people. Make sure you go ahead and click the bell button. Make sure you subscribe. Do that now, so you know when I upload videos every week, and make sure you stay to the end so I can share some information on how you can try some of this for free. All right, so today I want to share with you 5 easy steps that you need to do in order to start a home-based business. 5. And the reason why I'm sharing this information as far as starting a home-based business, I'm not just sharing just about a business, but particularly a home-based business, because there are actually 475 tax deductions for home-based business. And so this is a great way that you can either get some deductions off of your taxes, as well as get your money back. Because as you are preparing to build your family, as it relates to whether it's through your heart or your womb, and you're dealing with infertility, and you're going through maybe some medical treatments, and a lot of those things are not deductible at all, but they can be if it's done in the right way and you've established a home-based business, and it's really easy to do. Okay, and this was actually a game changer for my husband and myself, because we know when you don't have children, there are some deductions that you don't get, and kids can give you some. But however, as you are working towards building up your family, there are a lot of deductions that you can do that relates to your home-based business, as well as write off some of the medical expenses that you will incur, okay, that occurs while you're going through these different treatments, or even adoption. Yes, there's adoption tax credit, but there's additional benefits that you can get even with the tax credit if you have a home-based business. So the first thing that you need to do, the first thing is that you need to establish a sole proprietor. Okay, so that means your name, your business, your name is you. You're starting a sole proprietorship. It has to be a sole proprietorship, or it can be a single LLC. No partnerships whatsoever. So if you are married, you and your spouse can both have a sole proprietorship. Listen to what I'm saying, both you and your spouse. So that's double deductions that you can actually have, but it has to be a sole proprietorship, and you're running your business from home. So whether you are doing Instacart, all right, even though you have to conduct your business outside of the home, but you are still have to conduct the management, the paperwork at home. Okay, so you have a home-based business. Maybe you are a teacher. You are now an educational consultant. Maybe you have a way that you've been in corporate America, so now you have some other little tips. You are now a business consultant. Okay, you have information to share. So whatever your gifts or talents or hobbies, okay, so you have these little gifts. It is a sole proprietorship. Now there is a partnership that you can have that can be with your spouse, but I would suggest it is in your best interest that you and your spouse have your own sole proprietorship partnership. You do not need to get an EIN number. Listen to what I'm saying. You do not need to get an EIN number, because you'll be using your social security number. Okay, the next thing you need to do is open up an account. Open up a business account, a sole proprietorship, because IRS does not like when you are mingling your regular money with your business money. So open a separate account, and then it is able to see the expenses. Okay, that's number 2. Open up a business account. Number 3, create a space in your home. You need to have a home. I can't even say that. You need to have a home office. I was getting a little tongue-tied there, but that's okay. You need to have a home office, a place that is designated on where you conduct your business, because you'll be doing your business at least 4 to the minimum 3 times a week for 45 minutes. Okay, it might not all be at the same time, but that's how it is. That's how it's justifying your business. How you're doing, you can document it. Something I don't ask, but it's just in case. Okay, so you need to have because that is also a write-off for you, whether you have a home that you have a mortgage or your rent. You can also write it off because it is your home base. All right. Also, next, number 4. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, track your expenses. Now, this is the tedious part, but listen, it's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of work when you are broke. It's also a lot when you're trying to figure out how to pay for your medical expenses and trying to figure out how I can get all the money that you spend doing your treatment or going through your adoption. What is it? How can you get this stuff back? So it's important that you track your expenses. Okay, there. Now, with tracking your expenses, there is my mentor, actually, Sandy Botkin. He established an app, and he was actually an IRS audit. He would train the auditors on how to catch people, and so he has an app that can actually help you to track your expenses. And what he's offering a 2-week trial that you can try this out. And by the way, guys, there is a fee for it after the trial, but it is not a lot. It's like $10 a month. Ooh. And this will save you a whole lot of time when it comes time to file your taxes, and you'll be filing your taxes using the Schedule C as a sole proprietor. Schedule C, your 1040. All right. And then last but not least, you're going to promote your business. You're going to promote your business. All right. So I hope this information is helpful to you. Make sure you go ahead and click on the links below, as far as I'm getting some more information on more detailed information on how to establish your home-based business, as well as tracking your expenses. So you can see the links below. I'm leaving it. Go ahead and click find out, because this is imperative. This is a game changer now. This is a home-based business now. It's not optional. It is mandatory. You cannot just have one stream of income. You cannot afford to just be going on, my insurance or this, because we're in different times. You have to be able to be flexible and have other options coming in, so you can build up your financial legacy, because kids are not free. All right, so thank you so much for subscribing. I can't wait to see you in the next video, and remember to pray, plan, and believe, because God is still in the business of doing miracles. Make it a great day. Bye.